Every email you send leaves a lasting impression. With thousands of emails sent per employee each year, your signature can either reinforce your brand or undermine it. Email Signature Rescue helps turn that tiny block of text into a polished, professional marketing tool. Email Signature Rescue offers an easy-to-use visual editor and more than 100 professionally designed templates. It supports over 60 email clients like Outlook, Gmail, and Apple Mail, and uses a secure signature key or API key to install and automatically sync signatures across Windows, macOS, and webmail. From one dashboard, you can create, update, and deploy signatures to your entire team with a single click. Upload and crop logos, profile photos, or banners, then apply them across all signatures. The intuitive editor requires no HTML knowledge and lets you add automatic vCards, legal or GDPR statements, eco-friendly messages, and promotional banners. Choose from hundreds of tested templates and thousands of social media icons in various colors and styles. You can even swap icons for holidays, add Google Analytics tracking, or bypass character limits in web clients. Free creative tools help you design custom icons, banners, and video thumbnails to customize your email signatures for your company or brand. Getting started takes minutes and doesn't require any IT staff. Browser extensions and desktop apps for Chrome, Opera, Brave, Safari, Firefox, Windows, and macOS keep signatures up to date automatically. Where keys are not supported, HTML files are provided along with instructions for a quick and painless install using a simple copy and paste. ESR works seamlessly with more than 60 email clients, ensuring consistent branding across your organization. Ready to transform every email into a branding opportunity? With Email Signature Rescue, you can create professional signatures that reflect your brand, drive engagement, and save your team time. Start enhancing your email presence today.